here I am, back home after over a year of almost full-time traveling. I wouldn't say it was the best time I had so far in my life, but it was definitely a big highlight. And my god, did we do a lot of stuff. So, what does a 23-year-old guy do after a trip like that? He's gonna text some random people on a social media platform of his choice to send it one last time.
Yo.
So as our trip started, we didn't really know where we should go. But with autumn around the corner, we decided to head south to get the last glimpse of the mountains before they get covered in snow. Alright, so almost half of our trip was over, and I think I haven't introduced the boys yet. We got our guy Steve, who's most of the time pretty crazy. Eric, the adventurous maniac who always got a smile on his face. Dario, which joined spontaneously as he wanted to get more into photography. And Martin, who actually joined us a few weeks later on another trip. So let's get into the last section of this video.
How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's worth. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's worth. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's worth. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's worth. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself on my life's worth. How many likes is my life worth?